It's been a long time since we've uploaded a tip, so today I'll be sharing a simple yet effective tip regarding eye infections. So let's get into it. Eye infections are very common and can occur at any age. This tip is applicable for kids and adults both. There are 2 steps to be followed in this remedy. The first one is to rub your finger on your teeth before brushing in the morning, and then move your finger around the eyes gently as if you were applying kohl. By this method, you'll see 80% of the results within 12 hours. For the second step, which gives even faster results, take a small dot of Polyflex ointment for eye and apply it around your eyes gently. Polyflex eye ointment is easily available from any pharmacy. And that's it for this tip. I hope that this tip was helpful, and if you found it beneficial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such tips. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye!